At a foreign and a foreign. But lately, baby, you been my focus. I need you, nothing else, nothing else. Oh, yeah. Only you, no one else, no one else. Are you to myself, to myself?
Hey guys, this is a vlog. We're gonna be riding our bikes. Well, actually, he's on my bike.
Hey, she told me to. She told me to.
Yeah, for the vlog. Here, but you can't be swishing around the camera like you were before because you wasn't. Alright, we gotta go this way.
Hi guys, I'm new to the channel. She's actually really bad at Fortnite. We might make a part 2. Get ready for that. We might make. Alexis! No, we're not going that way. Nah, go the other way. There's bees over there. Yo, guys, there's bees over there. Guys, there's bees. Guys, I don't like bees. Guys, I don't like bees. So I'm going this way. I'm over here. I really don't like bees, guys. I don't like bees. And shout out my channel, See Less Pump. I might make new videos. Shout out.
All right. Shout out, whatever. So basically, we're just gonna be riding. All right, here, take the camera.
Thank you. Hey guys, again I'm famous. I have like 10 subscribers, and I'm famous. She's gonna kill me, bro. Chill. No moving around. No, I'm getting off. Stop moving me around so much. No, Lexus out. Like chill. Don't move me around too much. I'm not kidding.
The whole bike around.
I'm not doing anything. Lexus!
Alright, fine. We're gonna go around Channing.
Around Channing. Hey, stop moving. You're gonna make me fall off.
Alright, chill. Stop stopping the bike.
I'm not doing it. I'm stopping because I'm not trying to get hurt.
You're not gonna get hurt. You were trying to kill me back there.
Right.
Oh,
Yo. No, actually, we came back fast.
Daniel. You can't say
Bro. Okay, I'm ending it. Hey guys, I'm doing Alexis' intro because I'm on her bike. I'm on her bike. Look, see. Ah! Okay, she's gonna kill me.
I'm in the front of the bike and he's in the back.
Yeah. How do you know when guys, how does she know when I come off, guys?
You feel the rush when you get off.
Yeah, guys. Go put it back on the face mask.
Alright, these are like a bunch of bloopers that we don't need. Alright, anyway, come on. I'm gonna take him home. We're going home.
Don't move me around too much, like.
Oh! Alright, let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Yo, what are you doing? Chill. Oh, I'm not even. Alright.
I'm gonna stand up.
Don't stand up. You can't even stand. No. You trying to get yourself hurt.
You're trying to get me hurt. You're trying to die.
You're gonna get
'Cause
injured.
last time, my spine was hurting for like weeks. But you made me hit that pole thing.
Hit what pole thing?
No, where's that metal pole? Like one like.
It don't matter. We just gotta go. All right, guys, we're getting off track here.
I should press charge.
We're in the middle of the street.
I should press charge.
Right.
Shut up, bro.
Anyways, stop yelling in the camera. All right, guys, we're gonna go. Ugh. Finally, after all of that.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right. Sorry if the camera isn't like recording. All right, here, take it, cause I can't.
I can't take
Take
it.
it. There's a car coming. Hold on.
Yo, you made me hit that. Yo, chill.
I'm not doing anything.
You're moving around the bike. I'm behind you. I have a life.
You're a big weight on the back of the bike. How do you tell me not to move around? You won't fall. Stop.
Oh no! I don't
Please
know.
get back on the bike, bro. Come
I just
on.
wait. Chill.
You're messing up the flow.
Okay, I'm on the bike. Let's go.
We can't. We have to get home.
Okay, let's go.
Well, let's pretend we're far away from home.
Yeah, we're far. We're pretty far.
Home, like,
Yeah, we're pretty far. We went like all the way to Inwood, and we don't really know where we are, so we're trying to get home.
Yeah, I'm taking him home because I know the way. Right, the GPS is on?
I think so. Wait. Where's my other phone? Yeah, the GPS is on. So we have to go down.
Yeah, no, don't say street name. Don't say street name. You just have to go down this street right here.
Yeah.
This is I'm cruising, see? I'm not even going fast.
Good for you. Ah, chill. Stop accelerating.
I'm not accelerating. Aren't you enjoying the breeze?
No, because I feel flies going in my mouth.
There's no flies going in your mouth.
Well, they're going on my face.
Record me.
Okay, how about you supposed to record?
Guys.
She ugly. Anyway. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, you're the best. I love your channel. Subscribe to your channel. Let's go slow. Ugly.
All right, guys. So there was a complication with the vlog. He basically, when we were about to ride, he took off my Croc and started running with it. So.
You say so much, bro.
Oh, okay. All right.
You tell
You're tilting the bike.
What the heck?
All right. Anyways,
Face wrong, bro?
stop tilting the bike.
What are you doing?
All right.
Then go.
So we're gonna go. All right. I'm gonna need you to stop yelling. All right. Let's go.
Stop being annoying.
I'm not being annoying. You keep tilting the bike. What are you doing with the gears?
Do anything, bro.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, you have the gears.
You're gonna
You
get
can
three.
handle
You're gonna get 3 stars. No,
it.
actually
You get 3
1.
stars?
Stop! Oh my gosh, why? He's literally pushing the bike! Stop! What are you doing? Come here! Oh my gosh, it's about to be a blooper. So basically, guys, my brother ran away off the bike. He's literally, you guys see him? He's down there. I'm about to go get him right now. The vlog was supposed to be us riding around, but instead he wants to be clumsy. Look at him right there. Instead he wants to be clumsy and ride away. I'm too fast. He about to get hit by a car. He need to stop playing. What are you doing? I'm going too fast. Crap. Guys, I'm going a little bit too fast. I wonder if he's back behind me. He's not. So I'm about to go back. I'm about to go back around, guys. Because the vlog was supposed to be, we were supposed to be riding our bikes. But it took a turn. So instead, I'm just gonna be going after him. Alright guys, so that was a vlog for Memorial Day. You know, he was in the camera most of the time, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come say bye. Bye. Bye.